Hey guys, it's Melanie from MelanieKham.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, whoa. Okay, so I took the same Sawtooth star and I put it on a table runner. So this is a great versatile size table runner, and I can imagine this in Christmas colors or Thanksgiving, use it for your table this holiday season. So let's get going. I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, so what you need for this table runner is 3 of our 12-inch star blocks, and then you need 4 of the 6.5. So all those measurements, of course, will be on the blog as always. So you need 4 of those all ready to go. And then whatever your background color is, so whatever these outer squares are, in my case it's white, you need 4 pieces of white, 4 squares that measure 6.5 inches square. All right, and then once you have that, it comes together super easy. Most of the sewing is done. So the first thing we need to do is sew our solid piece here to our stars to create those panels. So let's do that. Using a 1/4 inch seam allowance like we always do with quilting, we're gonna put our star, our small star, with our little square. I'm going to sew it with the star side up. That way I can see right where that point is supposed to be, and that will just help me make sure it has a really good clean look. I'm just making sure I'm going right outside of that point. That way when it flips open, you can see that point really well and you don't inadvertently chop the end of that star off. All right, so here's one. Gonna do 3 more with the remainder of our 6.5 inch or our smaller star. All right, here's our layout. We did our smaller stars with those bigger ones, and here is how it looks completely laid out. So we're gonna take our stars over to the sewing machine, and we're gonna do a 1/4 inch seam allowance on all of these seams for the rest of our table runner. So go ahead and do that. Now we want to press all of these seams. It doesn't matter which direction you would like to press them. It's totally up to you. Just make sure it's as flat as possible. All right, once you are done, your table runner is ready to quilt it as you desire, like whatever you would like, your backing, quilting, your binding. If you would like the measurements for all of that stuff, I'll measure it out for you, what you need for your backing, your binding, and your batting. And I'll have linked some of my other basting and binding tutorials. Everything's already out there for you, so you can get creative and finish up your table runner. Now I'm thinking through how I want to finish mine. Happy sewing!